y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So welcome if you are new here, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. The red button is right down below, and be sure to hit that bell. That way when I post videos, you guys get notified. So let's jump into today's video. I'm wanting to play with some eyeshadow with the Morphe & Jeffree Star palette. I'm pretty sure they still have this in stock. I want to say that they have these at Ulta and everything like that. They have like the whole shebang of the collection and stuff. So I think today's color story is going to be in this portion, this upper area over here. So let's go ahead and jump into this video and do some eye makeup and have fun. Okay, I'm super excited to play with this palette because I feel like it's been a hot minute since I've dipped my brushes into this palette. So I'm taking a Morphe brush. Doesn't have a number on it or whatever, but using the Morphe & Jeffree Star palette, I'm gonna take Mr. Diva. And once again, if you're new here, if I sound out of breath, it is because I'm pregnant. So talking and stuff, your girl gets out of breath real quick. So with Mr. Diva, I'm just gonna run this through my crease. I really love using like an orangey shade for my crease and everything. It's just a good shade to use for kind of like a transition. So you want to have like your lighter shades kind of build into that. So, and this shade is actually really pigmented. It's really nice. Okay, next shade I'm gonna take is a dark shade, but I'm gonna take Boss Angeles, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics marble brush in the number 8, and I'm gonna focus this right in the inner and outer crease. And then you want to connect the two in the middle portion of the eye. So pretty much today I want to do like a halo eye. I seen Boss Angeles in here and I was like, oh my god, that's a really pretty shade. And I have not played with a shade like that before. So here we are. And I'm here for this shade. It's so pretty. Okay, so once you have that color down, go back in with Mr. Diva and just blend those two shades together. That way we can get a seamless blend in our crease. Okay, so the next shade, we're like just moving right along. I want this look to be one palette and pretty simple for you guys and stuff, where you can achieve this look pretty fast. So the next color I'm going into is the one called Girl, and I'm going to use my finger to apply this to the middle portion of my eye. Oh my gosh, oh my god, that color is so pretty with these tones. Oh wow, and I'm just focusing this color right in the middle. Y'all, I haven't played with this palette in a hot minute, and this shade is so pretty. So I'm gonna go back with my BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just gonna blend the Boss Angeles and the Girl shade. That way we don't have any harsh lines or anything like that. This is so pretty. If you feel like you lost the color, just go back in. Wow, that is so pretty. I really like that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so for my inner corner, I went in with the shade called Lynn, and it is a matte neutral like beigey tone. You can put like a shimmer in there if you want, but I wanted to keep it pretty matte in there. I think it looks really pretty mixed in with like the matte and just the shimmer that's in the middle. So the next thing that I'm wanting to do is I think gonna run Mr. Diva under my lower lash line. Yeah, we're gonna run Mr. Diva under there. So how are you guys doing? I hope everyone's having a good day wherever you are. Hope work and all that stuff is going good for everybody. If you guys have any recommendations down below of what you want to see from me, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if there's any recreations you want me to try to do, I'm all for it. Okay, so pretty much Mr. Diva, I smoked this shade on out. And I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna apply What's a Tea, and I'm gonna apply just a little bit under, and I'm gonna focus that more on the outer lower lash line. And that's just gonna make it more of a like a grungier kind of effect with that tone of orange and stuff. This looks really, really cute. I really like how this is coming out. Okay, I absolutely am obsessed with this shadow, how it turned out. Hopefully it's coming off of camera pretty nice. But the next thing that I'm gonna do is add a nude liner in my waterline, and I'm going to use the Rimmel in the Nude liner just to give this waterline more of a pop. I love this liner. And I actually love, like, with these contacts that I'm wearing, y'all, I have been obsessed with wearing contacts for like the longest with color contacts and stuff. So I'll go ahead and link the ones that I'm wearing down below in the description bar if you're interested in color contacts. These are prescription because I can't see for crap, so I need prescription and stuff. So, and they do have non-prescription as well, so that's pretty cool. And I just love playing, like, just love popping them in and then just like playing with makeup and stuff, and I just love the way they look. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do off of camera is my foundation, and I think today I'm not gonna put any falsies. I don't think I want to put any falsies with this. You can if you want, but I think I just want to put a shit ton of mascara because I feel like this is something that I would wear in a daily basis, like, you know, just like going out somewhere or whatever. And the day that I don't feel like wearing lashes, I don't need to, because I feel like you can rock this look without any lashes. So I will be right back to give you the final look because nothing ever looks complete without your foundation. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I love how this look turned out. I for sure would wear this out, go shopping, whatever, like going to the stores and stuff. Definitely would rock this out, especially with this sweater. I just love that the tones and the vibes that it's giving me, and I just absolutely love how it turned out. If you guys love how it turned out as well, please give me a big thumbs up, like this video, comment something down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as well, I'll have all my social media accounts right down below if you would like to follow me on Instagram, because I feel like I'm posting more on Instagram, so that's where you'll find your girl at. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye guys.